One of the most important functions I use as a senior financial analyst is index match. Give me 30 seconds and I'll teach you.
Index match enables us to look up and return data by dynamically matching both the row and the column. You can see we're looking for the name of the employee ID 101, and we're using this data. So let's begin. Start with index. Now what index does is based on a certain row and column number, it will return the cell value at that intersection. Now let's work through this. It's asking what array do we look into? Well, here's our data set, so let's select our data set. What row number do we want to look at? Employee ID 101, and we know that's in row 1, so we'll just type a 1 for now. Now what column number do we want? The name is in column number 2 in this data. Let's do 2. And what we're saying is, in this data set, return the value that's in the intersection of row 1 and column 2. Enter. Awesome. Now the next question is, how do we make that 1 and 2, the row number and column number, dynamic? We use this function called match. And what match does is it gives us the relative position of a value inside of an array. So if we want to tell index the right row number to look into, we want to match 101, the lookup value here, inside this lookup array. 0, parentheses. Next, we want to use match again. And if we want to tell it the right column position, to use lookup value name inside this lookup array. 0 again, and it gives us Alice just like before. These match functions are dynamically doing the same thing as us saying 1, 2, like before. Let's review. Match 101 and give us the relative position inside B7 to B20. Match B3 and give us the relative position inside B6 to E6. So now that we have this super dynamic match capability, we can do whatever we want. 109. Awesome. Well, let's find the salary of 109. This is dynamic too. Boom. And now we have a super powerful lookup that is way better than VLOOKUP.
Follow and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks, and I'll see you next time.